Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signing in now. Open My Account. Google, calm and go straight to security. Once there, find two-step verification under Signing in to Google. Click Get Started and re-enter your password. Make sure your primary phone is nearby. Set it as the first verification device. Also prepare a backup option like a secondary phone or recovery email because you'll need it if your primary device fails. Don't delay with settings. Enable them while you're signed in so sessions and apps can update immediately. Now you choose a method. Select Authenticator for stronger security or SMS for convenience. Once chosen, follow the on-screen flow. If you use an Authenticator app, install it, tap plus, and scan the QR code shown, then enter the 6-digit code to confirm. If using SMS, enter your number and verify the code sent to you. After confirming the primary method, immediately generate backup codes and store them offline, because these codes let you sign in if your phone is lost. Finish by toggling two-step verification to on, then sign out and test a new sign-in to confirm everything works. Make sure you add a backup phone and set a recovery email so you won't be locked out. Print or securely store backup codes. If you hit a problem, like not receiving codes, check your phone's time synchronization, app permissions, and signal or carrier blocks. For Authenticator apps, rescan the QR after correcting time. If needed, use recovery options to regain access immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.